Okay, I wasn't able to give this practice problem to everybody. I thought of it a little bit late, so I apologize. I'm getting better at planning my days. But on Wednesday, I gave this to my in-person kids as an exit ticket, and it was great to see some of your work. So I'm going to go through this, and I think it's a good thing for all of you to see because I want to highlight some of the mistakes that I saw. So first off, when the very first thing I said that we needed to do is you first need to, this is an expression and it's got X, Z, and Y in several places. In order to come up with an answer, one number answer, you have to substitute wherever you see X, you have to substitute -2 in. And you have to substitute -1 in for Y. And you have to substitute 3 in for Z. And you have to do that everywhere you see that in this expression. So I saw some of you not perhaps putting in the -2 in for your X's. You aren't solving an equation, you are simplifying. So first thing is I'm going to substitute -2 in for everything. So this has a lot of parentheses in it, so I'm just going to put a bracket. So I've substituted -2 in for this X, then 3 plus, and then Z is 3, bracket, and I'm putting parentheses around that, and negative, or Z is 3 and Y is -1, and a bracket -2 times -2 squared. Okay, so it's a little bit hard because, you know, order of operations says do the things in parentheses first. Understand that these parentheses just are a separator. Like they are saying that's -2, and so it's kind of grouping it all together. There is no operations in there, so you don't have to do that. This would be the place that I have to do my first set of operations. So I go inside my parentheses, and in this case it's brackets, and I do my operations there first. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 3 times -1. So I'm going to bring down -2 again, and then my bracket 3, and 3 times -1 is -3, -2, and then -2 squared. Okay, I got to stay inside my parentheses or my grouping symbol right here. So I got -2. I'm going to take the brackets off of that because now I'm going to change this into parentheses. 3 plus -3 is 0. Just to, I'm not sure, I was getting some different answers, but this right here, if there's nothing in between, that's a multiplication. This is multiplication. If I wanted to add, you'd see an adding sign. If I wanted to subtract, you'd see a subtraction sign. So it's one of those things that you need to know that if there's no operation sign, that means that you're multiplying. So, and then -2, I'm going to do this step right away too. -2 squared is -2 times -2, which is a +4. Okay, and notice I put brackets underneath the steps that I did. Technically, I could go another step, but because they're totally separated with the subtraction sign, I just did both of them. All right, right here, -2 times 0 is not -2. And this isn't -2 plus 0. If it was plus, there'd be a plus sign there. So -2 times 0 is 0. And 2 times 4 is 8. So 0 minus 8. So you get an answer of -8. I only saw one of those yesterday. I had a couple that had +8. But -8 is the answer. So on the assessment that you take today, you can look at this first before you take it. Make sure that you're showing step by step by step by step. I've included a place that I want you to upload a picture of your work so I can see that. If that doesn't work, then please email me the picture of your work. I want to see what you're doing so that I can then grade that assessment, and if you need some intervention or some help with that, then I can help you with that. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.